Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation at the rate 80 word per minute. Okay, start. I would like to make a clear distinction between India's position on the NPT and her position in nuclear non-proliferation. India has always been against the proliferation of nuclear weapons, and her record in this regard is second to none. Speaking at the Security Council on January 31, 2002, the Prime Minister had set out India's views in this regard. He recalled the action plan for disarmament put forward at the third special session on disarmament in 1998 by the late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, which sought to eliminate all weapons of mass destruction in stages, eventually leading to a nuclear weapon free and non-violent world. The Prime Minister, in fact, at the meeting which I have mentioned, advocated advancing this time frame to the year 2000. The House is aware that on the issue of signing the NPT, India has been under pressure for several years past, including pressure from the erstwhile Soviet Union. We have consistently taken a principled stand to the effect that while the treaty is discriminatory, what is needed is total and complete nuclear disarmament brought about by balanced, simultaneous, comprehensive, and time bound measures on the lines advocated by India's action plan presented at the third special session of the UN on disarmament in 1998. The copies of this plan, sir, are available in the Parliament Library. As the House is aware, at that point of time, it was also laid on the table. The Prime Minister has elaborated India's stand on all occasions when the matter was raised, both in multilateral meetings and bilateral talks. Honorable members had also referred to the Five Power Conference proposal put forward by the United States to discuss security issues, including nuclear non-proliferation in South Asia. During his meeting with President Bush in New York on January 31, 2002, the Prime Minister detailed government's position on this. The Prime Minister told President Bush that India was concerned about uncontrolled proliferation of nuclear weapons and did not see how this new phenomenon could be stopped merely by measures of policing. Proliferation had taken on a global dimension and required a global approach. India was prepared to talk to the US on non-proliferation, but given the practical situation and ground realities, India had to consider on how to deal with the problem. This reality could hardly be dealt with in a meeting of 5 states in Washington the Foreign Secretary reiterated India's stand in regard to talking bilaterally with the US. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। थैंक यू।